2813.
Somewhere up there. Nothing.
So we're doing math skills right now. We have 6 locations we have to go to, and right now we're just heading to the first one, which is down there at Squash.
So basically, what you do is you're walking around nearby either the stems and the rope. Let's go this way.
Yeah. Get a 6 meters.
Right up.
That's the sphere.
A few moments later.
Definitely somewhere here.
How many you guys found?
2!
Yeah, that's that.
No, 60. That's when we're going back.
Around the turn. What? 6! You got all of them.
Yeah.